Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitrix24 with company portal credentials, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in the Bitrix24 URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Bitrix24 homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see an option for Company Portal. Click on the Company Portal option to use your company credentials. You will now be prompted to enter your username. Type your username into the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. After confirming your details, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will gain access to your Bitrix24 account. In case of an error message, ensure that both your username and password are accurate. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Bitrix24 dashboard. Explore the various features available within your Bitrix24 account. You are now successfully logged in and ready to use Bitrix24 with your company portal credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.